I'm Clay Nelson with Nelson Builders.
And I'm Leanne, the better half.
This home is going to be on lot number 6, 2,085 square feet heated and 2,928 square foot under roof.
Sometimes we do renovation, sometimes we do new construction. Whenever we do new construction, we're starting with 10 sheets of paper and a walking talking Pinterest app.
First change we need to make, I'm gonna do these square garage doors. So being here, here, and here.
The plans are the most important part of building a house. You gotta have them right.
So we're adding a wall right here and closing the utility room. Good move. High
Well,
five.
listen to this.
Basically, we sit down and Leanne tells me what she wants.
So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I want to do a half wall here on the shower, and we're gonna do glass between the shower and the tub. That whole wall across the back of there is gonna be the same tile, side of this wall and the side of this wall.
Sheetrock.
No.
Let's make it happen.
I'll have to redo that. Clay thinks he's God's gift to subcontractors.
Woo! Woo! Having some fun here today, boys. Woo! Woo!
He's really just in the way.
We need more concrete. Hey, you're doing a good job. Keep sending them. This stuff is splashing all over my pants. They don't appreciate my skills over there, so I'm gonna come over here and help. Okay. All right, let's get some more mud on the way, boys.
Sometimes I have to hydrate.
Drink. I feel like John Wayne. H2O.
Keep people in line.
Aw, man. What did you break that for? See, I don't know what you just said, but I like it. The framing is almost done. What do you have in mind for the outside lighting?
Cans in the soffits above the window, two
Okay.
above the garage. I have to do a landscape lighting here since it's a parapet wall. So in the front of these two windows and the top window, we're gonna do an exposed beam look. It's gonna be a faux beam, but it's gonna be distressed.
Okay, cool, let's go inside. Perfect layout, tall ceilings, gonna make it feel like the home is a lot bigger than it really is. I really like this huge back porch on this house.
It does have a nice porch.
Put me a barbecue pit right there.
This isn't your house.
Well, if it was. TV screen so I can play the Saints and watch them lose. I mean,
They're not that great of a team, but they're her team. I get it.
it'd be fun to watch them. It's fun to watch.
Oh.
Okay, master bath.
I am the master of the bather.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna do double doors here or sliding barn door.
Double door, like you walk out here in your robe and like, oh, the doves fly.
That's another one of those ideas that you don't really know exactly what you're gonna do right then.
Yeah.
You sort of do it on the fly.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be decided right then, so I do have time to
Yeah.
make that decision.
Improvise.
Yeah.
Improvisatorial.
No.
Or you can throw the gliding door open and do the same thing.
Oh, like a barn door.
Yeah.
So the barn door slides open and goats run out.
We'll do the tile shower. There'll be a piece of glass here, but we'll run the tile all the way to the ceiling.
And again, I could put a TV right there. Watch the
You're
Saints
not living
lose.
here. No TVs.
Hey, baby, what about this big old master closet? When I was growing up, my bedroom was this big. I could lay right here and just sleep. Oh, this concrete's kind of cold.
Sorry.
Okay.
Big island right there. That's gonna be really awesome.
Yeah, the sink's in the island. We'll do a farm sink.
Okay, I think we're done. It's all gonna fall into place really, really well from here on out.
All right, let's go get our babies.
We tried, and then there it was. There was two little buddies that popped out. Is that the way I shouldn't say popped out?
Yeah,
Because
that's weird.
Judah Lee is my little sweetheart, kind-hearted, and
He's like his mama.
yeah, he's cute like his mama too.
Aw. And then there's River Henry. He acts like his daddy. He's very hard-headed, but he's sweet as can be.
Exactly. I always like to highlight some of those special touches that we do on the homes. This is an awesome piece of wood to use as a header. It's natural graining and knots. It's really gonna be a beautiful board to go above the window. When she starts distressing, she's like a doctor going into surgery. A wood chopping diva.
I have to say the blowtorch is the funnest.
Wood chopping surgeon diva.
Two 8 right hand. Come on, Dad, I know where this one goes.
I'm gonna be on my stand about 3 o'clock in the morning.
I like to think of myself as fairly productive, but when you add my dad into the equation, production goes down.
That's all an element of surprise. He won't even know I'm there. Now you see me, now you don't.
If he's not hunting, he's talking about hunting.
No decoy. His downfall is like any other man's downfall. Women. There was a buck about 100 yards, pulled the trigger, and he went down like a ton of bricks.
Just being in the woods randomly, walking around, losing things, including his mind.
I was lost.
Did you have any
I
food?
was lost.
2 8 right hand.
I wasn't through with my deer story, but I forgot which story I was on. Kind of just turned my head, and I swear to you, my glasses were right here, hanging on a twig. One more I'm gonna tell you, but I'll wait just a minute though.
Well, we got a lot done, I guess.
It's time to quit. Look at the sun, it's going on down.
That's true.
I'll give you a ride.
All right, I appreciate it.
I think you did real good today, son. I'm gonna get in here.
Your truck.
We're gonna talk turkey.
Oh,
You don't mind if I don't run the air conditioner, do you? I can put you on one side of the right of way and I can get on the other. And then they cross the right of way, go into our decoys.
dear God, help me. Next color, coming right up. That pink makes me just, you're a visionary. That's beautiful like you.
Thanks, Dad. This is gonna be a hard decision.
You know what that color makes me want to do? Color makes me want to dance.
Dancing equals life.
Clay, just stop.
I'm thinking more people would go for that dark berry color more than they would this pink.
That's berry. Tell you what, let's put them out in the sun for a minute and let them dry.
Okay.
She's pretty good about telling me how to follow the directions, but I'm sort of not very good at following the directions.
7566.
What color's that wall?
7011. Oh, 7566. 7566 ceiling and trim. All right, that makes sense.
What color's that wall?
7011.
What color's this wall?
I used to write the paint colors on a piece of paper, and they couldn't understand it. So then I wrote them on the walls, and they still don't understand it.
All right, so it is pretty self-explanatory. Come on. One more. All right, we got to make a decision on the front door.
I have to think on this a minute.
I'm digging both of them.
You are? Mm-hmm. You have light grays and dark grays. That gray's kind of in the middle, and so is that pink. There's nothing that contrasts. Don't stand out.
Okay.
I think you get the contrast with the berry.
What I was saying was I pulled my inner artistic, my inner artist, build it, and it's beautiful, and it's awesome, and I love it, and everybody loves it. Well, maybe not everybody. Maybe just a small portion of people. So we're about to do something really cool with this brick. Combined with acid and this pressure washer, we're gonna make new brick look like old brick. No house is the same. Every time I acid wash brick, it turns out different. It's sort of a skill. Do I consider myself an artist? Well, yeah. I'm like Leonardo DiCaprio. It really increases the appeal of the home. This is not a normal technique. Most of the time people want their brick laid and clean. So instead of being an artist in the respect of a painter or someone who draws something, I'm an artist that makes brick look really old. I always love getting out here to the nursery. It gets my creative juices flowing. I feel juicy.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at plants.
How you doing?
Ian,
I'm Will.
nice to meet you. So let's do maybe like 16 on each side.
Plant shopping with Leanna is like shoe shopping with Leanna.
Let's say 35 boxwoods.
Start with 30 and
Okay.
let me think about the other ones.
All right.
6 of these, 8 of these, 9 of these. 35.
The fountain's only 3 foot wide, so
I would say 6 is a good round number.
6, that's way, I think that's too many.
Oh.
And so 5 for the fountain and then 3 more for the flower bed, so 8 of those pink ones.
Okay.
I might not understand the shoes she buys, but when she puts them on, it all makes sense.
I would say at
Space
least
Force.
20 of them.
Not 20.
10's a good round number. Well, I
Go
mean,
with-
part of 10 is round. I mean, because you got one digit's 0, but the other, the 1, it's kind of not round. It's kind of like a,
Clay. How about 10?
I like 10. It's a good round number.
And you said it'll turn all like kind of that blue color in the spring? Pretty. Okay, I'll take 12 of these.
All right,
We
Will.
appreciate you,
Thank you,
Clay.
sir.
You
Yes,
have a
sir.
good one.
See you next time.
I will, thank you.
This is looking really good. I'm gonna go watch the boys and I'm gonna show you where to put everything. Line them up right down the sidewalk there. Yeah, just like that.
Sometimes I have to take a position of authority.
I like
Be
it.
doing this.
Who, me?
Why am I sweating?
And sometimes I let him.
Take those variegated larapis and put them right there on the edge of the flower bed.
What?
The variegated larapis. Variegated Liberace. Can you bring me a cold water? You want some water? Those grasses are too tall.
Hey, are y'all gonna get out of these flower beds so I can decorate here?
All right, we'll move. Papa, come watch the boys.
But as always, it's fun getting my hands dirty.
Are you a licensed landscaper? Come here, boy. I think it looks good, and I think it's time to get these boys down in bed.
All right, get them in the ground. Call me when they're done.
Will do, Mommy.
All right.
And then comes crunch time.
Crunch time's always fun.
There's fire. There's action.
Irresponsible.
What? You're gonna burn the cord.
And then there's patty cake. And then it's time to start staging to make everything beautiful.
The ukulele comes in. Leanne's the decorating sensei. The good thing about what we do, when we're finished at the end of the day, there's something done, something pretty to look at.
It's finished. Let's check it out.
Wow, it looks so good.
I'm glad you went with these really durable ceramic tile floors. They work with everything too. Whenever I get up in the morning and I get myself dressed, nothing works. I had to Google this outfit.
Really?
Now, the living room turned out great too. Custom mantle, gas fireplace.
I really like the shelves you did too. They turned out good.
I'm a genius.
Really impressed with the quartz countertops. This is the first house we've done with quartz.
Everything's KitchenAid in here, so really gonna sell the house a lot quicker.
I like the shotgun handles on them. I think the dining room is my favorite.
The pine in that ceiling is a tree that I cut down on our property and took it to the sawmill. Have I said I'm a genius yet?
Is it really a tree that you cut down?
Yeah, the main area looks really good, but let's check out what really matters, the master suite.
Yes. Oh wow, this is nice. I love the tray ceilings.
Big master closet. I think I'm just gonna post up in here, continue the walkthrough without me. Master bath.
I love the shower enclosure.
All in all,
solid master suite.
I love it.
Me too.
I love you.
I love you too.
Let's get it on the market.
All right. Psych. But I do want to get it on the market.
This house does make me want to dance still.
Okay.